I hope you all are doing very well. In this video I'm going to unboxing multi-direction stand for my microscope. As you can see, let's unbox it. So here you go, you can see all the parts here, and I will install this stand on my table. I bought it from our local market and it's really heavy and very strong stand. So now I will install it and I will show you everything how to install this multi-direction stand. It's really better than boom stand. So let's install this. So as you can see, I already installed this base with a screw on my tabletop here, and now I will install one by one all the parts together, and then I will show you how it's work. So let's do it. Okay, as you can see, everything is done and it's looking very beautiful, and I can do work very easily on my table under my microscope. I can check motherboard very easily, so I can move this stand everywhere on my table, and it's really very strong, and it's really better than boom stand. Price also very cheaper, and it's working very good. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video.